And this will be used for extraction socket. So again, membranes are going to come out here. Exact same thing, right? You're going to wait the 5 minutes as we've discussed. Then you're going to make sure that you keep a little portion of that red buffy coat zone. And the difference between this step here now and the previous one is we're not going to flatten out the membranes. This time here, we're going to take them, we're going to place them in the little cylinders. Once they're in the cylinders, we're going to compress them with the piston. Okay, so we'll do 2 little demonstrations here so that you guys can see. 1, 2, that's typically we'll need 2 for premolar, maybe 3, 4. Rule of thumb, pack as many as you can in these extraction sites. Now this right here, like I said, is a procedure that we'll review later, but with extraction sockets, it may lead to more dimensional change when compared to using an allograft, for instance. So if you live in the United States, more commonly, people will use the allograft bone for the extraction sites. And however, you can use this compressed plug for the soft tissue. So you can place this over top, and we'll review that a little bit later in the extraction socket section.